Hi, in this video we are going to see how to create the materials for exterior and interior. The important factor in creating a material in 3ds Max is that we have to know the physical properties of a material. You can click on material editor. Now this is my material editor. Usually when you open it will be in slate material editor, which will be a little bit different from what you usually see. But I will be using this compact material editor. Now I have only 6 slots, so you can increase the slots by going to options and you can increase it. Now this is the maximum number of slots you can have in your system or this particular scene. It is not limited. You can always go for more when you go to slate material editor, but you will not be needing that much. Compact material editor will be more than enough for you to finish the scene which you are having in your mind. So let's create starting material. So this is one material slot. Let's see how to assign the materials to the particular object which we have in our scene. So let's assign this particular material to the scene. So I've selected this slot. Select the object which you want to assign the material, and here you see the option assign material to the selection. So click on this and the material will be viewed in the shaded viewport. Now if I render this and see, let's render this. The color which I want is being applied to the object in the scene. Let's try another material. Let's render this. So like this, you can create any kind of color which you want from the real world into 3ds Max. So this can be done using diffuse. Suppose if you want to change the color, click at diffuse and you will be having the format in RGB, red, green and blue. You can adjust these and get the color which you need. Like, okay. Now this moment I have changed this particular green material into blue. So I don't have to apply it again because this material slot has already been assigned to this torus knot. So I can just directly render. Now let's apply an image to this particular torus knot. Any kind of image which we want. So let me choose an image file. So click at the small checkbox next to diffuse. Once it opens, click on bitmap because we are going to apply an image. So click on bitmap and click OK. Here choose any kind of image you want. Let me locate my bitmap image. So go through and find out your bitmap image. Okay. Now if I double click this, I can view it in a big manner. So this is what my image looks like when I am applied to the material. So let's render this. Yes. Now the image has been wrapped around the torus knot. Some people say that I have applied the image but it is not visible. For those kind of thing, what you can do is you have to apply a modifier to the torus knot. So let's go to the modifier list. You have an modifier called UVW Map. So click on UVW Map and that modifier is applied and keep it at box. Okay. You might also have a doubt that whether have I applied the image to it because I am not able to view it in the shaded viewport. So what I'll be doing is I'll open the material editor, then you see there is an option over here, show shaded material in viewport. So click on this. Now you can see clearly. Now let me render just a portion of this so that you can see the difference between how the image was before applying the UVW map and after applying the UVW map. Now this red portion is after applying the UVW map. You can see the textures more clean, right? This one is a little smudged, but this one is very precise. So that is how you change the colors or you apply an image to a material, to an object in the scene.